Hey everyone, it's Zach from theberryfix.com. Today we have the BlackBerry Torch for an unboxing there. You get in the box, you get your BlackBerry Torch, you get your headphones, you get charging cable, battery, 4 gigs memory card. It's also got 4 gigs internal built on, so you got about 8 gigs there. Polishing cloth, safety instructions, and user tools CD. It's just the AT&T. Because y'all, you've got Wi-Fi N, we've got the new 5 megapixel camera, the new web browser, huge. Let's open it up. Welcome to AT&T. Thank you for purchasing your BlackBerry. Let's open it up there, put it to the side, see what's in the box first. We've got Rethink Possible. They're really going really full consumer on a lot of their devices now, which is great. So they're getting these kind of things in the box there. Just how to use your keys, instant messaging on the phone. And other side there, got the camera, pictures, browser, email, additional services. Put that aside. Your BlackBerry 6 desktop manager software. Little instruction book on the Torch itself, or safety booklet. We got our headphones, just basic, nothing crazy. Battery, put that aside. Okay, we got, now on the newer ones, RIM has changed the power plug, so you get the cable, USB cable separate, and then you've got the plug here, very similar to Apple in the way they do theirs. USB goes there. And we have the USB cable. It's fairly long, so well, at least it looks longer than the standard ones that you used to get. So that makes sense because it's got to go to the floor and the wall and stuff. And then you got your, there we go. It's pretty cool. And just the cleaning cloth. Put that aside. It says this is to open it that way. So the 4 gig memory card. Put my SIM in. Open the battery. Now it's running the new BlackBerry 6 operating system. 5 megapixel camera, autofocus flash. 512 of RAM for your application memory, and 512 of flash memory. Texting while driving, can wait. That's why I use apps like drivesafe.ly. Okay, well, that's booting up there. Move all this out of the way. It's supposed to be fairly quick on the boot up, so let's see how long it takes. While that's happening, let's open this up, take all the stickers off. Come on. There we go. You can see the back. It's got the new ribs. It's almost rubber feel to it there. Torch branding. Nice metal back. Very thin. Obviously an AT&T device. Just wait for it to boot up. And I'm gonna show you the new boot video. So as we get connected to 3G. Okay. Welcome to BlackBerry. So it's just going to walk us through how to use the device, which will make it really easy for new users, which is pretty cool. and then we're in. It's very quick. So that's the unboxing. Full review to come. Keep watching theberryfix.com.